We've been slow to market in terms of social media for very good reasons. I mean, today we find social media is coming under all sorts of attack for the influence it has on people's lives. But we believe that we have a considered approach to use of social media to reach out to perhaps a customer base which has not seen us as their natural fit. So there are a number of things we can do on product, but also on branding, which will help us grow our business.
You talk about the fit of the customer base there. What's the competition? Do you think you compete only against Islamic institutions, or do you compete against conventional institutions as well? How do you view the marketplace you sit in that way? Do you segment between the two, or do you think that it's all competition?
Well, definitely there will be those who want to choose Islamic banking, Sharia compliant banking, because that's very much what they want. There are those perhaps who will never want to use it, but in between there are the majority of our customers or potential customers who will choose a bank based on its products and services. So that means really the customer base is quite wide, but the competition is with both conventional and with other Islamic banks.
So what are you doing to address that competition in terms of the product set? How do you see Islamic finance products evolving in the future?
Well, they will evolve with, one, it's by customer demand, and two, by looking at the different ways that we can present ourselves. I mean, there are the traditional Sharia compliant products which are not changing rapidly, but recently we introduced profit rate swaps, the equivalent of interest rate swaps, and we were first to market in Kuwait on those. So we are looking at ways of improving our product in a Sharia compliant way. But it's a matter again of really taking the existing structure and tweaking them in a Sharia way so we can present those to our client base and make them attractive, whether it be in delivery or in pricing or in some other form which makes an attractive product.
That's the key, is what makes it attractive, because banking products are generic. In that sense, it's almost a commodity business. What would differentiate, I'm assuming, your bank from any other bank is efficiency, speed, quality of service.
Absolutely. The service is the differentiator. I mean, increasingly now we see change in banking. I mean, I've been in banking now for 40 years, so you're seeing the accelerated change, almost as long as AUB. But you see the accelerated change, the fact that there are very new ways of doing things which weren't around 5, 10 years ago, and the ability to people or customers to adapt to a technology and their hunger for new technology. So the whole payment system is going to go under very rapid change. So your ability to, as a bank, whether it be conventional or Islamic, to move with that will be a key differentiator. Kuwait, as I've said, is not necessarily at the leading edge of fintech, but I think it will be very much a fast follower, because we see in the people, the youth today, a hunger for technology, and they like to see banks having that latest technology.